Hello everybody, hope you are having a fantastic day. Welcome back to my dining room table where I've been working for the last 6 to 8 weeks, which I know a lot of you guys are doing the same. I want to talk about what the Treasury announced yesterday. They said that they are going to borrow an additional $3 trillion basically between now and June, and then they're going to borrow an additional $677 billion in the third quarter. So obviously that's a huge number. What does it mean? Well, when the Treasury borrows money, what they do is they issue treasuries, and those trade a lot like a bond. They're a government bond. So anybody who has investments can go out and they can buy those treasuries. And they're considered a really safe investment because they're backed by the federal government. And they tend to have a pretty stable rate of return on them. Now, on the other hand, we also have the Federal Reserve, who has a hand in this as well. So the Treasuries issue the debt, and then the Federal Reserve can buy that debt as well. So we have one branch of the government issuing debt and one branch of the government buying the debt. And the reason they do that is to keep the prices of bonds as high as they possibly can. So the higher the cost of those bonds, the lower interest rates are. When we go through economic problems like we're currently going through a little recession, it's really important that the government keeps interest rates low. That drives more people to borrow money, and it stimulates the economy. So the Federal Reserve is, right now, they're buying treasuries and they're buying mortgage-backed securities. So they inflate the price of those bonds, and they're lowering interest rates. Now, right now, interest rates are at all-time lows. If you are interested in refinancing, if you're interested in buying a house, it is a great time to get out there and do it. There's less competition out in the market. I know inventory is a little bit low if you're looking for a new house, but people are still putting their houses on the market. They're still selling homes, and it's a great time to do so with interest rates. So if you have any questions, if you need help with anything, please send me a message. I'd be happy to help.